Today, we are going to show you how to replace the controller and wire harness for Cheetah. This instruction is also compatible with Cheetah Plus and Cheetah Mini. First of all, let's switch off the battery. Use 4mm Allen key to loosen the 2 bolts under battery tank cover. Take off the left side tank cover. Use the same 4mm Allen key to remove the 4 bolts on battery. And plug the 2 connectors so we can take battery out. Place the battery aside for a while. Make sure the switch is off. Take out the controller from frame. And unplug all connectors on it so that we can remove the controller. Now let's get the wire harness. Remove all zip ties and Velcro band from the wire. Unplug the 4 connectors for 2 sides of brake levers, throttle, and display screen. The wire harness is routed to the controller through an opening on the frame. Now pull the wire harness out from frame.
Okay.
Prepare your new wire harness. Insert it to the frame. Your other hand can help to guide the wire to correct place. We got it.
Okay.
Now route the other end to handlebar and connect them with correct parts. Same color to same color. You can't be wrong. Pay attention. There is a small notch inside each connector. Align the notch to plug until you hear a clear click sound. Use Velcro and zip ties to organize the wires as it was. Now it's time to install our new controller. Same color to same color. Same shape to same shape.
Okay.
Organize all the wires and put controller inside the frame as it was. Make it as left as you can. Now insert the battery. Securely fasten the 4 bolts on battery. Plug the rest to connectors to battery. Make sure it sits tight. The arrow must point to the edge. Now you can switch on the battery and display to test all the functions. It should work properly. Install battery tank cover. The tank cover has flexibility, so you can flex it a little bit if it's easier to install. Fasten the 2 bolts on bottom. It's all set.